Morning guys. Okay, I just want to show you one of my videos that we did about a year ago. They had a bus service that was going around the Udon city, which was pretty good. It was called Udon City Bus. Now I've just heard that I think they've packed up now, or they might have packed up because of the virus. Not many people going to the airport now. But it was 20 baht to take them in the city, which is pretty good. Anyway, I'll show you because it just shows you a couple of things as we're going along. And we had a good time. So sit back and enjoy the video, guys. Let's see if he's going to stop for us. He's going to stop, yeah, he is. Okay, that's the new city bus. Check that out, guys. Happy days. And it's 20 baht each and free for kids. 30 cup. Hey! How are you? Hey. Alright, yeah, sound. Oh, look at that, guys. It's mobbed. There's people staring at us. Okay, 20 baht each. Free for kids. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Second cap. Hey! Gee, where's rock and roll?
Oh, no.
Wait! God, that give away money! Okay, second cap. Look at it. Whoa! Okay, do you want to take that, yeah? Hello! Hey! Honey. What do you think, Arnie? It's fully air-conned in here, eh? Wow, look at this. Check this out, guys. Gee, look at this. You want to film, Kenny, yeah? Yeah? Okay, guys, what we're doing now, we're heading down to Big Seaway now.
Go to the airport as well.
This? Oh, right, okay. Oh, okay.
We just go where they go and then come back.
Right, okay.
A couple hours maybe.
My God, a couple hours on the bus, guys. That's probably about an hour. Okay, yeah, this is brand new. It's got all the latest gadgets at the front there. Just zoom in a bit there, guys. See, you pay your money there. And it is lovely and cool in here as well. Yeah, it's nice and cool, eh? Yeah, that's right. Up here, guys, you've got your aircon blowing through. It's nice, really cool. Speakers for music. Wow. The brand new Udon City bus. Really recommend this, guys. What do you think, Arnie? Oh, you're cool, dude.
When we show the city around as well, yeah?
Yeah, we'll do, yeah. Okay, guys, we're coming up to Big C now. This is not exactly the quietest bus I've ever been on. There's a bit of like a humming noise as you're going along. It makes your ears go a bit funny. Okay, there's Big C. Big C, and then there's the bridge that goes near Big C as well. There you go. Now, as I said before, there's an app that you can get on Google Play, and it's called Udon City Bus. You can download it, and it actually shows you live where the bus is and where the bus stops are. Okay, so we're going back along this road again, yeah, on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Going back down this way now. People getting off here. So if you want to go to Big C, just hop in here and there you go. Pretty good. Hey! Bye-bye! You're on YouTube. Everybody's getting off now. Gee whiz. So I can help you sit at the back now. Hey! Okay guys, we stopped at the Big C for 20 minutes.
We wait the bus in the UD town, yeah. I try to check if have can use Wi-Fi or not.
Oh, okay.
Yes, when the long Wi-Fi เป็นค่ะเจ้าเขาจะว่า Wi-Fi ฟรีประสานค่ะ
Yeah, they said there is free Wi-Fi, so my wife's just going to check it out. See, we're sitting in the back here, so you can see out the back.
Yeah.
So far, honey.
Let's sit on there.
And you
That's
you
right,
like
yeah.
it? You like the new bus? Udon new bus? You like?
Let's sit on there.
Yeah.
Let me do this.
Oh, you want to sit in the window? Or do you want to sit there on your own?
Look, free Wi-Fi now. Look.
Okay, so we're on the
Yeah,
bus.
look, very quick.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Wow, look.
So as you can see, we use the bus
Yeah.
Wi-Fi. It's free.
Yeah.
And there you go. Check that out. You just search on your Wi-Fi
Yeah.
and it comes up with it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Look at us. Gee whiz.
Yeah.
So you're happy, yeah?
Yeah. อินเทอร์เน็ต very fast
Yeah.
อย่าอินเทอร์เน็ตเร็วๆค่ะ Wi-Fi เร็วค่ะ
Guys, we're just coming out to Udon Town. This is where we first got on the bus. And this bus will take us all the way to the airport. There's a train station there. That way goes to Nong Khai, because behind me goes to Bangkok. Over here is our condo, which is just over there. And opposite that is Udon Town. See Villa Market over there where you buy your Farang food. On the other side there is Udon Town. Very busy night time. During the day it's quiet. Just down the road there is a train station, and it looks like we're going there. Yeah. KFC. There's the train station. I guess he's gonna see if there's anybody who wants to go on the bus there. No. Go around the roundabout. There you go. Okay guys, this road takes us down to the central. You see the old marketplace there. When I first came to Udon, that's the ones we used to walk up and down, but I haven't been there for a long time. Fitness place down there. Okay, we're coming up to Nutty Bar now. Some little bars there, or they're doing a new place here. Just next to it is Nutty Park, it's called. As you can see up there, called Nutty Park. There's another bus going along there, same as us. Okay, coming up now is the Central. There's the Central Plaza of the Udon Thani. So this bus has got a good route. There you go. People are getting on and people are getting off. To my left is the old bus station of Udon Thani. And obviously there's a bus stop here outside 7-Eleven. Okay guys, there's one of the roundabouts here, Udon Thani in the city. Had 3 of them, and they're all about the size as well. Now I call this the King's Park. Now what's this place, Kenny?
ทุ่งศรีเมืองอุดร
Okay.
ทุ่งศรีเมืองอุดรค่ะ
Okay, this is where you used to have the big fairs near Christmas time, which are gradually getting smaller every year. See the government buildings in the background there. And it's very open. They need to plant more trees, I think, in there. Guys, we are on the west side of the ring road of Udon Thani, going on our way to the airport now, and then we'll stop off there, have something to eat, and then go back to Udi town on the bus. Place here, this is where Udon Thani football team plays. That's where they play their games, in there, somewhere in the back there. Hey guys, we're just entering the airport. This is going to be our last stop. So we're going to get off and go to Burger King, have a big Whopper. There you go, there's a couple of planes over there. Oh crikey guys, this is the busiest I've seen it in Udon Thani. It's getting very popular now. And they put more chairs further on down the aisle here. It's really busy now. Wow. Any? Yeah, I think I'll have a burger. Yeah, okay. Wow, I've got a plane on it. Yeah, we can see it. You can see the planes then. Wow, I've got a plane on it. Wow. Okay guys, I'm going to have that Whopper with cheese, that one there, number 1 there. Cheers. check that out now. I'll zoom into it. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's good. What are you having, Kenny?
I have a barbecue wing.
Oh, that was good.
I don't know for Annie. Annie.
Is that chicken nuggets there?
Yeah.
Honey, what do you want to eat, boy?
จะเอาอะไรลูกจะกินอะไรจะกินอะไร
He's waiting for the plane to go off. You watching the plane on here?
อันนี้หิวข้าวไหมไม่เอาใช่ไหมเอาเฟรนช์ฟรายไหม
Sorry guys, we had to take the audio out this because they were playing loud music in the background. That's down to copyright, so we're putting in our own music. So sit back and just enjoy the music.